Hello everybody, my name is Jihan. I did the preparing of the food today. I hope you like it and it's not too spicy for you. I'm going to go ahead and read a little poem about the Kurdish Newroz. The Eternal Flame it's called. The flame of Newroz is forever burning bright. Many may have tried but not succeeded in stealing our heart and pride. Our desire, our yearning, our quest for freedom knows no bound. For whenever our advisories have tried and denied, a Kurdish savior has always been found. Callously and cruelly they did strive, yet the beauty of our souls was our only crime. As the new day has proclaimed, the breeze of spring will mark our new place and time. For even 1,000 years later, the eternal flame of our martyrs will always shine. Our resolve is undiminished, our courage divine. This passion remains perpetually sublime. As the spring equinox flourishes, a new dawn upon us, and a new age arrives, where we proudly proclaim we are free. For the valor of our heroes, we will always survive. Thanks. And I just want to